What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to give y'all a small update. I'm outside of the container today. I got the window frames welded and put in and cut out. We're gonna walk around just for a quick second. It's been one of them days where it's always been raining, so I have to wait when it stops raining and jump back on it. But it's been going, fam. It's been going. So we got this stage going. Hopefully tomorrow or the next day I'll be jumping up here, getting on the top, start finishing welding up the deck and getting ready for the staircases on the other side. So just wanted to say, fam, if it's something on your mind, you want to do it, you're gonna have to get your hog on. You're gonna have to keep pushing. You're gonna have to believe in yourself, and you're gonna have to do whatever it takes. You can probably have to make a lot of sacrifices, but it's gonna be all right. Because when it's all said and done, you're gonna be able to sit back and see what you did and how you accomplish it, and how you can be able to keep repeating what you did. Hog on.